Hello, good afternoon, Maria Christine. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Maria Christine and Lastimosa, 26 years old, single, and I don't have kids. I am from Taguig, Philippines. I am two years in college. I have 5 years experience as a house helper from 2011 and 2016.
Okay. So, this is your first time working abroad in case you will be hired. So, why do you choose Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is the best choice, ma'am, and I think it's a high salary, ma'am.
Okay. And so, since you have experience being a housemaid here in the Philippines, so what are your duties with your past employer?
My duties there is taking care of 7 years old boy and 2 adult.
Two adults.
Yes.
Yes. Do you have experience in taking care elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
So, here in your application, the ages is 60 and 62.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are they healthy or
They healthy, ma'am.
they are healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
So, just assist them
Yes,
in the household. Okay. So, in taking care of the kids, what are the important things that you need to do?
Their safety, ma'am,
Your safety.
and then they're preparing food, ma'am, and then
How do you manage taking care of the kids and doing household chores? What are your daily routine?
First, ma'am, the kid, I bring them to the school, and then after that, ma'am, I do the household chores, ma'am, and then cleaning, cooking, going to the market, and then fetching the kid, and sometimes we do his homework.
Okay.
That's
Okay. So, can you also cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if ever given you a recipe, are you can you follow
Yes,
the
ma'am.
recipe?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if ever also we will be given you a job offer that you need to share with the kids, are you willing for that?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay. How about if you have a co-helper?
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay also. So, can you promise us not to borrow money with your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. I will promise, ma'am.
Okay. So, message for your future employer.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I hope you choose me, and because I am a hardworking person and trustworthy, and my goal is to make your life easier, and taking care of your children or your family. Thank you.